another video. So today we're making jewelry.
Everyone makes pearl jewelry, but I want to try something different in this video, so I'm planning to make 4 things
A bracelet, a finger ring, a necklace, pair of earrings.
in just 10 minutes.
I'm very confident that I can finish the bracelet in just 1 minute for sure, or even earlier.
Are you stupid or something?
Hopefully. I don't know. I actually had a stopwatch. Whenever I need something, I just can't find it at home. We're going to be using this phone. So let's start.
I'm starting off with the easiest one just for some motivation. And of course, it didn't go as planned. I don't know what I was thinking.
Bracelet in just 1 minute for sure, or even earlier.
Anyway, moving on to my favorite, the danglers. Okay. And obviously I'm fast forwarding it, otherwise we are going to be here sitting and watching a 10-minute boring video which who knows, some of y'all might not even watch. The timer was going on and I wasn't anyway cheating. Even the making of it isn't like rocket science or something. We just need some pliers, jewelry essentials, and some good old white pearl bead, and we are done.
So I have only 5 more minutes.
Still have a necklace to make. Ring is something that will take longer, I feel, and I'm gonna be using this concealer stick as a guide to measure the size of my finger. And this DIY is something that I managed to figure out just from a picture on Pinterest, and I'm so proud of myself for it. This is the second time I'm making it. First was in office. We had to show off our talent and I made this ring. And just when I thought that everything was going fine, suddenly my phone stopped filming for reasons I don't know what. So basically I just wrapped it up fully and this is the finished look. Last but not the least, we have our necklace. I'm not sure how much of a DIY video this is because I seriously didn't focus a lot on the filming part. I hope it wasn't too fast.
Yes, it's done. I hope it's recording.